Lord, please help me not to die. Okay. Okay, 5, 4, 3. Hey guys, in this video, we got our dirt bike and we drove it into a pond and then we revved it and like drove it until it blew up full pin. So stick around to see all of that.
So I'm done making the ramp. We got the ramp here that goes into the pond. We're gonna have to clear that out.
If I don't hit it, I think that's dumb.
No, hit it that way.
Yeah, I know.
Straight towards the Bobcat. Just drive straight. And then it kind of comes back up in here. We made a little, yeah, so you can hit it with some speed. Sorry, I'm trying to clear this stuff out. Kind of goes back up in here. And it ends right there. So we'll turn around here and rip straight out of there to ultimately the dirt bike's death.
Okay, so got the helmet, safety, and I don't want to ruin any shoes, so obviously no shoes. Just gonna maybe run it one more time, see how I'm looking, and then we'll send the jump. Okay. Okay, 5, 4, 3. Never mind. My chain fell off.
No way.
Yeah. My chain fell off. Hang on, it'll be a quick fix. We're good. Whew. Scared me. Okay, it's back on. All good, okay. This time it's for real. Lord, please help me not to die. Where's the dirt bike? Oh, I feel it. I got it.
Yo, what?
Oh,
Oh, let me get up.
yeah, I'll help you out. Oh.
Perfect.
Yeah, just keep those recording. Got the tire. Got the tire? Yeah. It's heavy though. Here, Caleb, can you tie this thing on? Yeah, I can tie it.
See if it fires up.
Yeah, honestly. Oh, locked. Oh no,
Nope.
it's not. There's no way that just started.
Dude, that just started.
Fresh out of the pond, dude.
It's still leaking the water. Oh my days, bro.
Dude, there's no way. I was sitting in there for a good few minutes too. Not a chance, dude. What?
Look at that. Absolute snake, dog. Yo, my G, what happened?
We're gonna try to pull this bike up. I don't know how though. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked any of the stuff we did, jumping it into the pond, redlining it, I thought it would blow up. I honestly did. It was a mistake to record the intro before we actually did it. But anyway, thank y'all again so much for watching. Like I said, if you like any of this stuff, please hit that share button and share it with people that like dirt bikes. Share it with people that like ponds. Literally share it with people that like everything. Share it with people, please, to help us out and do more cool stuff like this. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.